Hey there, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to talk about a revolutionary product that has been taking the fitness world by storm, the DLS-EMSlim 6500W 2024 Neo Slimming Machine Hiemt Nova Body Sculpting EMS Pelvic Muscle Stimulator Salon EMSzero. This amazing machine is the latest and greatest from EMSzero, and it is designed to help you achieve the perfect body you've always dreamed of. Using high-intensity coils to stimulate muscle contraction and relaxation, this machine offers incredible training effects that are 7 times more effective than a traditional gym workout. But that's not all. With 30 minutes of treatment equaling 20,000 muscle exercises, you'll be well on your way to achieving your fitness goals in no time. And the best part? It's non-invasive, completely painless, and has no side effects. Not to mention, this portable EMSzero machine offers the same treatment results at a fraction of the cost. With 4 EMSzero handles that can work together, you can even treat up to 4 clients at once. Talk about efficiency, and let's not forget about the major matter. With a 6500W high power output, dynamic temperature monitoring, and a 2-in-1 EMS+RF technology, this machine is truly the cream of the crop when it comes to body sculpting. Now, I know what you're thinking, this sounds amazing, but what about shipping and customer service? Well, let me put your mind at ease. We offer a default shipping method that is door-to-door and does not require a customs declaration, with the option for express delivery if you're in a hurry. And when it comes to customer service, we've got you covered with a 1-year warranty, lifetime maintenance, and consultation service anytime you need it. We're here to make sure you have the best experience possible with your new machine. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description below to get your hands on the DLS-EMSlim 6500W 2024 Neo Slimming Machine Hiemt Nova Body Sculpting EMS Pelvic Muscle Stimulator Salon EMSzero and start your journey to a better, fitter you today. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to transform your body and your life.